Welcome to a new year full of possibilities. As we step into 2025, it's time to set some exciting goals for our gardens. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, these 5 garden goals will inspire you to create a greener, more rewarding outdoor space. Let's dive in. This year, aim to grow at least one vegetable, fruit, or herb that you regularly use in your meals. It could be tomatoes, cucumbers, or even basil. Not only is it healthier and cost-effective, but it's also deeply satisfying to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Pro tip: start small with easy-to-grow plants and gradually expand your garden as you gain confidence. Invite nature into your garden by adding bird feeders, bee-friendly flowers, and a small water source for wildlife. Pollinators like bees and butterflies will help your garden thrive, while birds and small critters add life and charm to your space. Pro tip: native plants are a great choice as they naturally attract local wildlife. Let's make 2025 the year of eco-friendly gardening. Use compost instead of chemical fertilizers, practice mulching to conserve water, and collect rainwater for irrigation. Reducing waste and saving resources will benefit both your garden and the planet. Pro tip: invest in a compost bin or start small by reusing kitchen scraps for your soil. Step out of your comfort zone and try growing something you've never attempted before. This could be a rare flower, an unusual vegetable, or even a new gardening method like hydroponics or vertical gardening. It's all about learning and keeping your gardening journey exciting. Pro tip: research plant requirements carefully to ensure they suit your climate and space. Your garden should be a sanctuary where you can unwind and connect with nature. Dedicate a corner to a seating area or add decorative elements like fairy lights, fountains, or even a hammock. It's not just about gardening, it's about enjoying the space you create. Pro tip: incorporate fragrant flowers and soothing greenery to make the area more inviting. And there you have it. 5 garden goals for 2025. Whether it's growing your food, attracting wildlife, or creating a relaxing retreat, these goals will help you make the most of your gardening journey this year. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow garden enthusiasts, and subscribe to the channel for more gardening inspiration. Here's to a greener and more fulfilling 2025.